वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। इदानीं प्रथमं नूतनपाठान् पठामः, तदनन्तरं किञ्चित् पुनरावर्तनं कुर्मः। We'll go to the new topics first and then come back to our revision. Okay. Today we will learn about Sankhyaha, numbers in Sanskritam. चित्रं दृश्यते वा? इदानीं दृश्यते किल? अस्तु। एकम्, एकम् इति एकं मीन्स् one. द्वे, द्वे is two. त्रीणि, त्रीणि is three. चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश। अस्तु वा? एकैकं पृच्छामि। प्रथमं कार्तिक महोदय, भवान् एव वदतु।
अस्तु। एकं, द्वे,
दर्शयतु। एवं दर्शयतु। शो।
द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश।
सुन्दरी महोदय।
एकं, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश।
प्रीति महोदय।
एकं, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश।
रीटा महोदय।
एकं, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश।
माधवी।
एकं, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश।
अमी महोदय।
एकं, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च,
पंच
षट्,
पंच
पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव,
नव
दश,
नव
नव,
दश.
नव, दश.
You must utter the full letter. Then Haraprasad Mohoday.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Yogesh Mohoday.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Vindhya.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Kalpana Mohoday.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त
You must show,
अष्ट.
Mohoday, you must show. Otherwise,
अष्ट.
no, everybody can't see.
नव दश.
Deepti Mohoday.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च अष्ट षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Meenakshi.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
See, this is not Hindi, this is Sanskritam, no? So you must utter the full word. Sapta. If you say Sapt, that letter is halant, it becomes halant. It's not complete. So you must say the entire Sapta,
Okay.
Ashta. Unless that halant is put, you cannot utter it half. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Sandeep Mohoday.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Anupama.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Arun Mohoday.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Sukanya.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Deepti.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Hina.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव and दश.
Harsha. Unmute. We can't hear you.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Dasha. Should say Dasha. Ganesh Mahodaya.
एकम द्वे त्रीणि
Show from with your hand.
एकम द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Sonal.
एकम द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Okay. Now shall we? Anybody left out?
I am left.
I am left
Priya.
out. Santosh.
Santosh. Santosh.
Yeah.
Please.
Nirmal.
Okay. Should I go?
Yes.
Yeah. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Nirmal Mahoday.
एकम द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Gayatri Mahoday. Na shruyate. Can't hear you.
I am Aarti.
Aarti vadatu.
एकम द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Samyak. Deepti, did you tell?
I finished.
I am left. Priya here. Shall I go?
Yeah.
एकम द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Vedartham Ramesh.
एकम द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Muralidharan.
एकम द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Nagaraju. Yes, Nagaraju. Please unmute.
Madam. एकम द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश.
Okay. Anybody left out?
Yes, ma'am.
Nagaraju Mahodaya, please mute. Yes, please. I can't hear. Mahodaya, na shruyate. Can't hear.
एकम द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश।
अस्तु, इदानीम् अग्रिमसङ्ख्यां पठामः वा? Shall we go to the next numbers? Everybody has learnt now up to 10 very well. 32 times repeated. Okay? Good revision. Ekadasha. Now we will do one thing. I'll not read. I'll call names. You read. Up to 20, 11 to 20. Anupama first.
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पञ्चदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः.
There is a visargam there.
Visargam, yes.
And you didn't say the English numbers. Ekadasha is 11, Dvadasha is 12, Trayodasha 13, Chaturdasha 14, Panchadasha 15, Shodasha 16, Saptadasha 17, Ashtadasha 18, Navadasha 19, Vimshatihi 20. Arun Mahodaya.
Ekadasha 11, Dvadasha 12, Triyodasha 13, Chaturdasha 14, Panchadasha 15, Shodasha 16, Saptadasha 17, Ashtadasha 18, Navadasha 19, Vimshatihi 20.
Aarti.
एकादश 11, द्वादश 12, त्रयोदश 13, चतुर्दश 14, पञ्चदश 15, षोडश 16, सप्तदश 17, अष्टादश 18, नवदश 19, विंशतिः 20.
Ami Mahoday.
एकादश 11, द्वादश 12, त्रयोदश 13, चतुर्दश 14, पञ्चदश 15, षोडश 16, सप्तदश 17, अष्टादश 18, नवदश 19, विंशतिः 20.
Ganesh Mahoday.
एकादश 11, द्वादश 12, त्रयोदश 13, चतुर्दश 14, पञ्चदश 15, षोडश 16, सप्तदश 17, अष्टादश 18, नवदश 19, विंशति 20. Sorry.
Madhavi Mahoday.
एकादश 11, द्वादश 12, त्रयोदश 13, चतुर्दश 14, पञ्चदश 15, षोडश 16, सप्तदश 17, अष्टादश 18, नवदश 19, विंशतिः 20.
Madhuri.
एकादश 11, द्वादश 12, त्रयोदश 13, चतुर्दश 14, पञ्चदश 15, षोडश 16, सप्तदश 17, अष्टादश 18, नवदश 19, विंशतिः 20.
Madhavi is over.
Over. I just did.
Okay. Meenakshi.
एकादश 11, द्वादश 12.
Listen. एकादशः नास्ति. एकादश
11, द्वादश 12, त्रयोदश 13, चतुर्दश 14, पंचदश 15, षोडश 16, सप्तदश 17, अष्टादश 18, नवदश 19, विंशतिः
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 20 प्रीति महोदय
एकादश 11, द्वादश 12, त्रयोदश 13, चतुर्दश 14, पंचदश 15, षोडश 16, सप्तदश 17, अष्टादश 18, नवदश 19, विंशतिः 20
सुंदरी महोदय
एकादश 11, द्वादश 12, त्रयोदश 13, चतुर्दश 14, पंचदश 15, षोडश 16, सप्तदश 17, अष्टादश 18, नवदश 19, विंशतिः
संतोष
Mahoday, can you please mute Sheila's iPhone? It's
एकादशः 11, द्वादशः 12, द्वादशः ओके एकादशः 11, द्वादशः 12.
Listen just a minute. Ekadashaha, there is no visargam there. Is there a visargam? Do you see a visargam there?
No.
Then you should not say ekadashaha. Should say only ekadasha.
एकादश 11, द्वादश 12, त्रयोदश 13, चतुर्दश 14, पंचदश 15, षोडश 16, सप्तदश 17, अष्टादश 18, अष्टादश 18, नवदश 19, विंशति 20.
Vimshatihi. Only there you have a visargam.
Okay,
in this scene.
Vimshatihi 20.
Okay. Nirmal Mahodaya.
एकादश 11, द्वादश 12, त्रयोदश 13, चतुर्दश 14, पंचदश 15, षोडश 16, सप्तदश 17, अष्टादश 18, नवदश 19, विंशतिः 20.
विंशतिः. कार्तिक महोदय.
एकादश 11, द्वादश 12, त्रयोदश 13, चतुर्दश 14, पंचदश 15, षोडश 16, सप्तदश 17, अष्टादश 18, नवदश 19, विंशतिः
20. Vindhya.
एकदश 11, द्वादश 12, त्रयोदश 13, चतुर्दश 14, पंचदश 15, षोडश 16, सप्तदश 17, अष्टादश 18, नवदश 19, विंशतिः 20.
कल्पना.
एकादश 11, द्वादश 12, त्रयोदश 13, चतुर्दश 14, पंचदश 15, षोडश 16, सप्तदश 17, अष्टादश 18, नवदश 19, विंशतिः 20.
रीटा महोदय.
एकादश 11, द्वादश 12, त्रयोदश 13, चतुर्दश 14, पंचदश 15, षोडश 16, सप्तदश 17, अष्टादश 18, नवदश 19, विंशतिः 20.
हीना महोदय.
एकादश 11 द्वादशः 12 त्रयोदश 13
that visargam is not there, no? Wherever it is not there, please don't use the visargam.
Okay. एकादश 11 द्वादश 12 त्रयोदश 13 चतुर्दश 14 पंचदश 15 षोडश 16 सप्तदश 17 अष्टादश 18 नवदश 19 विंशतिः 20
हरप्रसाद महोदय.
11 एकादश 12 द्वादश 13 त्रयोदश 14 चतुर्दश 15 पंचदश 16 षोडश 17 सप्तदश 18 अष्टादश 19 नवदश 20 विंशतिः.
नागराज.
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पंचदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः.
निर्मल महोदय, did you say?
Yes.
I'm left.
Sukanya.
Yeah. एकादश 11 द्वादश 12 त्रयोदश 13 चतुर्दश 14 पंचदश 15 षोडश 16 सप्तदश 17 अष्टादश 18 नवदश 19 विंशतिः 20.
रमेश महोदय.
एकादश 11 द्वादश 12 त्रयोदश 13 चतुर्दश 14 पंचदश 15 षोडश 16 सप्तदश 17 अष्टादश 18 नवदश 19 विंशतिः 20.
मुरलीधरन.
एकादश 11 द्वादश 12 त्रयोदश 13 चतुर्दश 14 पंचदश 15 षोडश 16 सप्तदश 17 अष्टादश 18 नवदश 19 विंशतिः 20.
गणेश महोदय.
I have done.
You have done, no? Okay. Anybody left out?
Yes.
Ma'am, Sonal.
Sonal. Okay. Sonal.
एकादश 11 द्वादश 12 त्रयोदश 13 चतुर्दश 14 पंचदश 15 षोडश 16 सप्तदश 17 अष्टादश 18 नवदश 19 विंशतिः 20.
सम्यक्. Anybody left out?
Hi, Priya.
Madam.
Harsha and then Gayatri.
एकादश 11 द्वादश 12 त्रयोदश 13 चतुर्दश 14 पंचदश 15 षोडश 16 सप्तदश 17 अष्टादश 18 नवदश 19 विंशतिः 20.
एकादश 11 द्वादश 12 त्रयोदश 13 चतुर्दश 14 पंचदश 15 षोडश 16 सप्तदश 17 अष्टादश 18 नवदश 19 विंशतिः 20.
Are you all observing the Sanskritam numbers also? Or only following the text?
Only one question.
Mहोदय.
Numbers also.
Mहोदय.
Mahodaya.
Following the numbers also.
Okay. Sandeep Mahodaya.
Disturbance in the background.
Yes. Everybody please mute. Sandeep Mahodaya.
Yes.
Did you say?
Not 11 to 20. I will not.
Yes, 11 to 20.
Oh. Ekadasha 11, Dwadasha 12, Trayodasha 13, Chaturdasha 14, Panchadasha 15, Shodasha 16, Saptadasha 17, Ashtadasha 18, Navadasha 19, Vimshatihi 20.
Anybody left out?
Priya.
Please go ahead.
Ekadasha 11, Dwadasha 12, Trayodasha 13, Chaturdasha 14, Panchadasha 15, Shodasha 16, Saptadasha 17, Ashtadasha 18, Navadasha 19, Vinshatihi 20.
Ekadasha 11, Dwadasha 12, Trayodasha 13, Chaturdasha 14, Panchadasha 15, Shodasha 16, Saptadasha 17, Ashtadasha 18, Navadasha 19, Vimshatihi 20.
Now, how many of you remember 1 to 10?
I do.
Okay.
I can say.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, I'll ask Nirmal Mahodaya. Let him say.
Yeah. Ekam, Dve, Chatvari, Cha, Sat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasa.
Okay. I'll ask Kalpana. 11 to 20.
Ekam.
No, 11 to 20 I'm asking.
11 to 20. Okay. Ekadasha, Dwadasha, Trayodasha, Chaturdasha, Ashtadasha, Chaturdasha, Shodasha, Saptadasha, Ashtadasha, Navadasha, Vimshatihi.
Which number did? So that's why you must keep count. You have left out one
Panchadasha
number.
she missed.
Astu.
She
Har
missed
Prasad
one.
Mahodaya vadatu.
From
11 to
1
20.
to 10?
11 to 20.
11 to 20. Okay. Ekadasha, Dwadasha, Trayodasha, Chaturdasha, Panchadasha, Shodasha, Saptadasha, Ashtadasha, Navadasha, Vimshatihi.
Madhavi Mahodaya.
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पञ्चदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः.
Hina Mahodaya. Hina Mahodaya, can you hear me? Please unmute.
Sorry. Ekadasha, Dwadasha, Trayodasha, Chaturdasha, Panchadasha, Shodasha, Saptadasha, Ashtadasha, Navadasha, Vimshatihi.
Vimshatihi and Ashtadasha.
Okay.
Vimshatihi and
Vimshatihi.
Ashtadasha.
Ashtadasha. Oh, sorry. Ashtadasha.
Can you say one
Ashtadasha. Okay. Yeah.
Ami Mahodaya. 1 to 10.
Gayatri. Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shata, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha.
मुरलीधरन महोदय.
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पंचदश सप्तदश नवदश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः.
What are the numbers left out?
Shodasha.
Yeah.
Okay. 16 left out.
Reading from the text is very easy. If we don't have the text, we must use our memory.
Ma'am, Gayatri, can you say 1 to 10?
Huh? What?
Gayatri, 1 to 10, can you say?
Yeah.
Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sabda, Ashta, Nava, Dasha.
Samyak. So, agre gachamah va? Another 10 numbers can we learn today? Are you all comfortable?
Yes. Can I ask a question, please?
Yes.
Why is that only number 6 has a halanta?
That why it has that I can't answer. I'll have to refer.
Because no other number has it.
Yes, I don't know. I have to refer to some text and then only I'll be able to tell you.
No problem. Yeah.
Astu. Dani?
Yeah, one thing I just wanted to check.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is like Devanagari script, only the number writing in numbers, it will be like this?
Devanagari, this is the way it is written.
Okay. So it is same to Marathi.
Oh, Marathi also same? I didn't know.
Yeah, Marathi and Devanagari are quite close.
What about Hindi then? Hindi also, I think, very similar, no?
Hindi numbers are same.
Yeah.
Hindi numbers are same.
Okay. So all okay. But in South Indian languages, it is different.
Yes, quite different.
They follow some other system. It's okay. Now we will do one thing to save time. We go by alphabetical order so that I need not call names. One by one, you people, in the alphabetical order, if you answer, nobody will be missed and time also would be saved. Okay?
You want the first name or the last name?
From the first, A.
Okay.
We have Arun Mahodaya, then Ami Mahodaya is there, Aarti is there, Anupama is there from A. Yes.
We don't know who is going to precede though.
Yeah, every time the letter changes, you just tell us the letter, we'll follow.
Okay.
One suggestion, if we click on the participants list, it shows it in alphabetical order. So besides just the first two names. So if people open that, then we can follow it.
Yeah, that is also an option.
Thank you. Yeah,
okay.
That's
okay.
So I'll go first, ma'am. Anupama.
Yeah.
Ekavimshatihi 21, Dvavimshatihi 22, Trayovimshatihi 23, Chaturvimshatihi 24, Panchavimshatihi 25, Shatvimshatihi 26, Saptavimshatihi 27, Ashtavimshatihi 28, Navavimshatihi 29, Trinshata 30. Trimshat 30.
Can you observe the difference between Vimshatihi and Trimshat? Vimshatihi has a Visargam, but Trimshat doesn't have a Visargam.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am Aarti.
Huh.
Ekavimshati, Dvevimshati,
No. Listen. You must, wherever that Visargam is there, you must pronounce it properly. And English numbers also you must say.
Okay. Ekavimshatihi, 21. Dvevimshatihi,
Dvavimshatihi.
Dvavimshatihi, 22. Trayovimshatihi, 23. Chaturvimshatihi, 24. Panchavimshatihi, 25. षड्विंशतिः, 26. सप्तविंशतिः, 27. अष्टाविंशतिः, 28. नवविंशतिः, 29.
Trimshat.
Okay, Trimshat is 30. One doubt. This Chaturvimshati, it is Vimshati or Vimshati? The spelling error.
Oh, there is a typo error. Okay, I'll correct
Maybe the typo.
I'll correct it. Chaturvimshatihi eva. Okay. Next.
Ekavimshatihi, 21.
Ekavimshatihi. Eka iti nasti.
Ekavimshatihi.
See, the difference you can observe. Ekadasha is there. But here, Ekavimshatihi.
Ekavimshatihi, 21. Dvavimshatihi, 22. Trayovimshatihi, 23. Chaturvimshatihi, 24. Panchavimshatihi, 25. षड्विंशतिः, 26. सप्तविंशतिः, 27. अष्टाविंशतिः, 28. नवविंशतिः, 29. त्रिंशत्, 30.
Amit. एकविंशतिः, 21. द्वाविंशतिः, 22. त्रयोविंशतिः, 23. चतुर्विंशतिः, 24. पञ्चविंशतिः, 25. षड्विंशतिः,
27.
नवविंशतिः, 29. त्रिंशत्, 30.
So
we
all
still have somebody unmuted.
Yes, please, everybody keep muted. It helps everybody. Okay. Now, I think A, everybody is over. Next is G. We have Ganesh, Gayatri.
I will go. Ekavimshatiः, 21. Dvavinshatiः, 22. Trayovinshatiः, 23. Chaturvinshatiः, 24. Panchavinshatiः, 25. षड्विंशतिः, 26. सप्तविंशतिः, 27. अष्टाविंशतिः, 28. नवविंशतिः, 29. त्रिंशत्, 30.
एकविंशति 21. द्वाविंशति 22.
Visargam. Visargam is gifted to me.
एकविंशतिः 21. द्वाविंशतिः 22. त्रयोविंशतिः 23. चतुर्विंशतिः 24. पञ्चविंशतिः 25. षड्विंशतिः 26. सप्तविंशतिः 27. अष्टाविंशतिः 28. नवविंशतिः 29. त्रिंशत् 30.
When you are saying Trayodasha or Trayovimshatihi, I hear a different sound. Tra, it should be pronounced properly. Okay. Okay. Next, Haraprasad Mahodaya. H.
Yeah. Okay. 21. Ekavimshatiः, 22. Dvavinshatiः, 23. Trayovinshatiः, 24. Chaturvinshatiः.
Are you Can you repeat, please, from
Sure.
21?
Yeah. 21 एकविंशतिः 22 द्वाविंशतिः 23 त्रयोविंशतिः 24 चतुर्विंशतिः 25 पञ्चविंशतिः 26 षड्विंशतिः 27
How?
सप्तविंशतिः
Okay, continue.
27 सप्तविंशतिः 28 अष्टाविंशतिः 29 नवविंशतिः 30 त्रिंशत्.
Actually, Deepthi is left out. Please,
Yes.
Deepthi.
Yes. एकविंशतिः 21 द्वाविंशतिः 22 त्रयोविंशतिः 23 चतुर्विंशतिः 24 पञ्चविंशतिः 25 षड्विंशतिः 26 सप्तविंशतिः 27 अष्टाविंशतिः 28 नवविंशतिः 29 त्रिशत् 30 त्रिंशत् 30.
Hina?
एकविंशति 21
विंशतिः.
द्वाविंशतिः
No, विंशति नास्ति.
एकविंशतिः एकविंशतिः 21 द्वाविंशतिः 22 त्रयोविंशतिः 23 चतुर्विंशतिः 24 पञ्चविंशतिः 25 षड्विंशतिः
विंशतिः नास्ति.
षड्विंशतिः 27 सप्तविंशतिः 27 अष्टाविंशतिः 28 नवविंशतिः 29 त्रिंशत्
30. Now, K. I think only Kalpana is there. Karthik Mahodaya is there.
I'll go. एकविंशतिः 21 द्वाविंशतिः 22 त्रयोविंशतिः 23 चतुर्विंशतिः 24 पञ्चविंशतिः 25 षड्विंशतिः 26 सप्तविंशतिः 27 अष्टाविंशतिः 28 नवविंशतिः 29 त्रिंशत् 30.
Karthik Mahodaya.
धन्यवाद महोदय. एकविंशतिः 21 द्वाविंशतिः 22 त्रयोविंशतिः 23 चतुर्विंशतिः 24 पञ्चविंशतिः 25 षड्विंशतिः 26 सप्तविंशतिः 27 अष्टाविंशतिः 28 नवविंशतिः 29 त्रिंशत् 30.
M. Madhavi, Madhuri.
Harsha.
Harsha is there. Okay, sorry. Harsha, please.
एकविंशतिः 21 द्वाविंशतिः 22 त्रयोविंशतिः 23 चतुर्विंशतिः 24 पञ्चविंशतिः 25 षड्विंशतिः 26 सप्तविंशतिः 27 अष्टाविंशतिः 28 नवविंशतिः 29 त्रिंशत् 30.
Then M. Madhuri, Madhavi.
Mahodaya, ekam nimisha. Will you pronounce this Shadvimshati?
What?
Shadvimshatihi. How to pronounce?
Shadvimshatihi. Shad.
The Dikaranta is covering dells, no?
Yes. I can show you this how to type once this is done. Let everybody do this and then we will see how it is written. Okay.
Can I go, Madhavi?
Yeah, Madhavi.
Ekavimshatihi 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 28, नवविंशतिः 29, त्रिंशत् 30.
एकविंशतिः 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 28, नवविंशतिः 29, त्रिंशत् 30.
Hari, I'm here for one doubt. We say Vimshati, Vimshati, the dot on top is pronounced as ma or na, like Vimshati or Vinshatihi.
Vim, it is, if you put a dot on vakaram, how will it be? Vam, Vim.
So
Vam.
when I was saying ma, but I heard a couple of people pronounce it as na, like Vinshatihi.
No. Vin is not there. Vim, it is anuswaram, no?
Thank you.
Aha is there. That Vim, come, kim, like that. Okay? Yes?
Meenakshi?
Meenakshi,
एकविंशतिः 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 28, नवविंशतिः 29, त्रिंशत् 30.
So you are saying ekvimshatihi, navavimshatihi, that ekavimshatihi. It should be pronounced properly. Navavimshatihi, saptavimshatihi. Okay?
Okay.
So all are over in M. Nirmal Mahodaya, N. No, Muralidharan is there. Then Nirmal Mahodaya.
एकविंशतिः 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 24, चतुर्विंशतिः
त्रयोविंशतिः
23, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 28, नवविंशतिः 29, त्रिंशत् 30.
एकविंशतिः 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 28, नवविंशतिः 29, त्रिंशत् is 30.
Trimshat is 30.
त्रिंशत्.
महोदय एकः प्रश्नः is that correct, the way it is typed for Shadvimshatihi? Is it not Shadvimshatihi? I mean, the ikara should not cover that, right?
No, when we write Shadvimshatihi, what happens is, while writing, it comes out differently. I'll show you how to write Shadvimshatihi. And while when we are using online tools, it will come like this.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Otherwise, what happens is, if while writing, many people write under the this word. Okay. So what happens is automatically the da is also covered with ikar.
Yeah. Da is with halant. That's why it is getting covered with ikar.
Yes.
Otherwise, it will be like that.
Yes, it's not wrong actually. It's correct only. But for convenience, while writing, what we do, we write d and then vimshatihi. That is also
So both are
accepted.
correct.
Both are correct.
So both are correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
Yes. Who is next?
I think me, Mother. Preeti.
Preeti, yes.
एकविंशतिः 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 28, नवविंशतिः 29, त्रिंशत् 30.
शीला एकविंशतिः 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 26, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 28, नवविंशतिः 29, त्रिंशत् 30.
एकविंशतिः 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 28, नवविंशतिः 29, त्रिंशत् 30.
सोनल मैम एकविंशतिः 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 27, नवविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः is 28, नवविंशतिः is 29, त्रिंशत् 30.
संतोष एकविंशतिः 21, ओके, एकविंशतिः 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 28, नवविंशतिः 29, त्रिंशत् 30.
Shall I start? Shall I go?
Sukanya.
एकविंशतिः 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 28, नवविंशतिः 29, त्रिंशत् 30.
I'll go. एकविंशतिः 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 28, नवविंशतिः 29, त्रिंशत् 30.
Sandeep Mahodaya.
Rita Mohoday is left.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am, I am left. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Shall I go?
Yeah, yeah. Please.
एकविंशतिः 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 28, नवविंशतिः 29, त्रिंशत् 30. धन्यवाद संदीप महोदय.
एकविंशतिः 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 28, नवविंशतिः 29, त्रिंशत् 30.
So everybody done?
एकविंशति 21, द्वाविंशति 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 28, नवविंशतिः 29, त्रिंशत् 30.
Okay. Now we'll do one thing. I'll close this window. I'll randomly ask you, please answer. Dvadasha. Deepti?
11.
Dvadasha.
Can you hear? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ?
ಹಾ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Please go ahead. Dvadasha. Now we can't hear. Okay. Ganesh Mahodaya, Bhavan vadatu.
12. 12.
Meenakshi? Ashtadasha.
18.
Muralidharan. Saptavimshatihi.
Saptavimshatihi. 27.
Astu. Anyhow, you people practice this well. Now, Preeti Mahodaye, can you explain how this nakaram becomes nakaram? Just a minute. This Vindhya is left out, it seems. Yes, Vindhya, please. Please go ahead.
एकविंशतिः 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25, षड्विंशतिः 26, सप्तविंशतिः 27, अष्टाविंशतिः 28, नवविंशतिः 29, त्रिंशत् 30. धन्यवादः
महोदय, एक शङ्का अस्ति. एकादश एकविंशतिः एकं स्वर्ग एकं ह्रस्व कथं करणीयं?
पुनः वदतु महोदय.
एकादश एकविंशतिः भेदमस्ति न महोदय? एक दीर्घमस्ति,
आम् आम्,
हर्षमस्ति. कथं करणीयम्?
तत्तु अभ्यासं करणीयम्, अभ्यासेन एव आगच्छति, अन्यत् किञ्चिदपि नास्ति। तत्र शङ्का किमस्ति इति अहं न जानामि।
एकादश दीर्घमस्ति महोदय।
आम्, यस्, एकादशम्,
एकविंशति षष्ठम्।
आम्,
एकविंशति is also
नो एकविंशति तत्र दीर्घं नास्ति, एकादश तत्र दीर्घमस्ति। किमर्थम् इत्युक्ते दे मेड इट लाइक दैट, नो we can't question them. Whatever the Maharshis did, they did with some objective that we have to find out. Okay. Astu. Preeti Mahodaye, can you please? Is everybody please listen to what Preeti Mahodaye says, how to do this nakaram to nakaram.
So first I want to tell Mahoday that I also had so many doubts. 5 times I learned it. Again and again I asked what is the how to do this. Then only I learned. It was quite confusing only. So what is Natvam itself? To understand that itself, it took time. So that is at Nakaraha, how when it changes into Nakaraha, the one with the like this. Okay, so when does the Nakaraha become Nakaraha? That is only Natvam. So if in a word there is before the Nakaraha, if you have Ra, Repaha, it's called Ra, or Sha, or R, these three in the word, then the Nakaraha will become Nakaraha. So the example is, I have given, if I tell the example now, you might not get it in your head. You have to see that picture. I'll send one picture. So then you can see it nicely. Vastram I have given. So in Vastram.
Sorry, Preeti Mahoday, can you please repeat once more, please? I couldn't hear it properly.
Oh, okay. Which part from Natvam? What is
So
Natvam?
the R, you were saying R if it comes before Na. So R and then two other words, two others you mentioned.
So that is if Repaha, it's called Ra. Okay. Then Shakaraha. Shakaraha or Rikaraha. I'll show you once in the.
This Rikara is A, I, U, R. That Rikara is talking about.
So the vowel R, these three, Ra, Sha, and R. If these three come before the Na, okay, then it will change to Nakara. That is only called Natvam. So Vastrani, how do you know if you have to write Vastrani or Vastrani? How do you know that? So in this Vastram Shabda, you have V, A, S, T, R, A, and M. So what is the rule? If in this Vastram, Tra, you can hear that R, right? R is there. So that means Vastrani is the plural. So how do you, should you write Vastrani or Vastrani? You have to write Vastrani because Rikaraha is there. I mean, Repaha is there, sorry. So then for some other word.
Kshamadam Preeti Mahoday. Vastrani comes under second rule, no?
Sorry?
No, first rule.
Vastrani comes under second rule. You have the A in between Ra and Na.
That is correct. If it is Vastrani, it is the second rule.
Swara is
Can't
combined with
hear you
Repa.
properly, Vedantam Mahodaya. I can't hear you.
Preeti Mahoday, Vastrani comes under the second rule.
Second rule.
Repa is combined with Swara, that is A.
Swara. So I'm coming to that. I'll just explain that. So I actually made one table to show that what are some of the vowels and consonants. It has the so there are these rules. Like I said, there are 1, 2, 3 rules are there. So when some vowels and consonants come in the middle of that r, sh, r, and the na, these some of them are okay, like it's okay if it comes, and some of them when it comes, then the natvam will not take place. Means it won't change into nakaraha. It will remain na. So what are those letters? Any of the swaraha. Swarahas are a, I, u, all those. So when those are there, then ka vargaha. Any of the ka vargaha. Ka, kha, ga, gha, na. Na. Pa and pa vargaha. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. And ya, va, ha. If these are there, then the change will take place. I will send the photo so that it will be a little more clear. When you see that and read, it will be much more clearer. And then there are some letters, vowels and consonants, which if they are there, the change will not take place. So what is that? The rest of the things which I have not mentioned. So cha varga, ta vargaha, and ta vargaha, and sha, sa, la. These 3. Also, if the na comes in the end of the word, like if it ends like sarvan, so for sarvan it will not change because the nakara is coming in the end of the word. I will send that thing. When you read it, it will be little more clear. So these are the 3 things you have to notice to. And as you practice, it took me 1 year of practicing. I ate my teacher's head, a previous teacher, and I asked many questions over and over again. When you practice lot of words, it will come. That's all.
Okay. Preeti Mahoday, can I ask a question?
Mahoday.
You said in the first rule, it is ra, refa, shakara, halanta, shakara, and ru in the first rule. How about if it is a dirgha ru? Is the same formula applies?
Mahoday, you want to answer that?
I think I'll answer Mr. Sri Vedantam Ramesh Mahoday and Harihar Prasad Mahoday's question. To answer that, yes, Vedantam Ramesh Mahoday, Bhavan Satyam Uktavan, that is, it is R followed by Akara followed by Na. Any Refa will always be followed by a Swara. It cannot stand on its own unless it is Varna, example. So if you take Varna, it will become Nakara there. That is one example. Another example for just Nakara to follow it is Rana, that is credit. R, that is the vowel R, Swara. That is one. To answer Hariprasad Mahodaya's question, that is Ru followed by Nakara or Nakara, Pitrun will be an example for that, where it will be Nakara itself and not Nakara.
Yeah, that's exactly where I'm coming from. In Pitrunam, what happens is it is not a ru, it is a ru, it is not a hasva, it is a dirgha.
Exactly.
So the rule should be, it is ra, sha, I'm talking about halant, ra, sha, ru, and ru, both.
Yes, it takes both Rukara and Ru, as in it becomes Rasva and Dirgha. Mahoday, Satyam.
Yeah, but it is because Pitru Nam.
Pitru Nam.
Yeah.
Na.
Yeah.
So it will be both.
So it is a Dirgha. Yeah, it is a Dirgha Ru. Am I right, you think?
Acharya Mahoday.
Mahoday, you only answer it. Haripriya Mahoday.
See, now here in this Pitrunam, what you are saying, Pitru Shabdaha, Rikaraha.
Right.
There, actually, one it comes along with some other pratyaya. It's a suffix along with some pratyaya. It becomes Pitrunam. Then it changes to Pitrunam. So let us right now, what we need to focus is only on the words we are learning, and let us do this Pitrunam and all those things when we come to that stage. That's what I am telling.
No,
because everybody is not able to understand what is Pitrunam.
Correct, but this example was given in the last class by you.
But Pitrunam, I didn't give Pitrunam. Did I tell you?
Yes, you did.
Oh,
You
okay.
did.
Okay. Okay.
भवतः प्रश्नः इदम् अस्ति ऋकार ऋकार उभौ द्वौ अपि नत्वं भवति
Yes.
ऋकार एकं नास्ति इदं
Yes, of course. Yes.
Correct. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, that is there. Yes.
So while doing vibhakti, it has to be ra and then u. So that's why it will always consider as an ru only, right?
Can you please?
Pitru, in case of Pitru Nama, so if you go do the vibhakti, ru will be separate and u will be there. So always it will be considered as an Pitru and plus u. While doing vibhakti, it will be a separate word. So that's why it will fall under the rule, right?
No, not like that. Actually, it is Pitrunam is Nam iti tatra pratyayam asti. So that becomes Pitrunam. That Nukaram will go and then A will be left out, and that will join along with this Pitru Shabda, and then it becomes Pitrunam. But I think we should not worry too much about this. Only these two rules, what you have been taught in the class, only follow that much. And there are many more things to learn. If we waste time on this,
Sure.
maybe
Just one thing I just wanted to clarify, Mohoday. Vibhakti, how to do vibhakti, that's we would like to understand, because I struggle
yes, we will be
in
teaching.
vibhakti.
Yeah. That you will be learning. Before that, you have to learn these words, no? Otherwise, how will you do vibhakti?
Mahoday, one little confusion. Preeti Mahoday told that the last word, if it is na, it will not change.
Yes.
But how about this Ravana?
Ravanasya apatyam. See, that's a different aspect actually. It is called Tadhita. That Dasharathasya apatyam, Dasharathihi. Like that, they are saying some pratyaya is added to that, and then it becomes Dasharathihi, to Dasharatha. Okay, same way, Kuntehe apatyam. Kaunteyaha. Same way, Ravanasya apatyam Ravanaha. So his father was also called Ravana. So Ravanasya apatyam Ravanaha. So in the name itself it is there. You are not adding anything to that.
Mahoday, this does not even come into picture because is it not a masculine word?
Which one?
Ravanaha. He said Ravanaha is a masculine word. It is not a Napumsakalinga.
But Pitrunam, just now you only said, no, Pitrunam, how Nakaram has come, all those things you are asking. Pitru Shabda is not Napumsakalinga.
But this is the example you taught us last class. I'm going by that.
Okay, no. What you said, Ravana is a Pullinga Shabda, it is not. This rule applies to all. It is not specific to only Napumsakalinga. It applies to all Pullinga or Strilinga, Napumsakalinga Shabdas.
Would this rule?
Yes, this Natvam. Natvam rule applies to all the three.
I thought it was only for Napumsakalinga Akarantaha.
No.
So one more thing to be clarified, Acharya Mahoday. Shankarasha versus Shanmukasha. Only for Shanmukasha, this rule will apply. Shankarasha, this rule will not apply.
Yes,
that is something to be clarified, just like Rukaranta.
Yes. That anyhow is given in the list. In that list, it's where it has been explained. The two rules.
Yes.
There itself it is given Shakara and not Shakara.
Shakara is not. But it just to make it clear, absolutely clear that we should not.
And one more thing we came across while checking the answers, many people are not able to write legibly. So what happens is, while grading, it becomes very difficult to understand first what the person is trying to write. So I request everybody to write neatly. I can tell you one thing. While I was studying, I was in a Kannada medium. I studied in Bangalore. I studied in Kannada medium till 7th standard. When I went to 8th standard, actually English was just only 5th standard we learned this twinkle twinkle, all those things, not like today's kids. Okay, so when I went to 8th standard, it was English medium and every subject was taught in English and the teachers would go with high speed. I was finding it very difficult to cope with writing. So what happened? I used to write it was really horrible. So one day my father's friend visited us, and actually my father writes very beautifully, and he saw my handwriting and said, "What is this? Your father writes so beautifully, and what I'm unable to accept this." So I felt really offended. Oh, what is this? This uncle is talking like this. So then I practiced copywriting on my own. I didn't use any copywriting book, but I took a computer sheet and started practicing in that by drawing lines. Within those lines, I should be able to write neatly and with speed. So after some time, the quality improved a lot, and people started appreciating, "Oh, you are writing so well." So it is up to us to improve the standard. Okay, I request everybody to write neatly. You can do one thing, you buy one ruled notebook And Sanskritam is not written above the line, it is written below the line. So follow that rule and try to write within those 2 lines. And once you, every day for 15 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever time you get, at least practice for that much. I'm more interested in seeing you all writing beautifully. Okay. So I expect from today onwards, all the homeworks would be very neat before submission.
We almost forgot how to write with a pen.
Yes, this happens. Yes, digital world, it happens.
All
It's
the
natural.
computer.
So it's better everybody practices entire week and then submits after improved. Take the best out of whatever you have written and then submit. That would be better. It is my sincere suggestion, so that when you go to the exam, if you write in haphazard manner, the invigilator will not correct. They will put everything wrong. That's all. Okay, they will not have the patience. So this is like school kids only. Now we all are kids from KG section or first standard, whatever, because we are learning from the basics. Okay. Yes. Anything else? Today I wanted to cover Kriya Padams also, but unfortunately time is over. We will do it in the next class. Next class onwards, minimum discussion should be there. Then only we will be able to progress fast. Okay. Try to go through the PPTs. We have done elaborate PPTs for you to understand well. So go through them again and again. You will understand.
Haripriya Mahodaya.
Yes.
Next week I will do the prayer.
Yes, definitely. Please do. Actually, I want everybody to do one by one.
So next week I will do.
I have just one request. Can you share the prayer in group so that it will be helpful for us to memorize?
Yes, I'll definitely do. Astu Mahoday. Om sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Om shanti shanti shanti.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada Mahoday.